Morning, everybody. Michael Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. You see, we called a halt to this interior finish. We have this plaster pool interior finish over here. A couple things I want to point out to you about why an interior finish should never, I'm going to repeat that, never be shot over another interior finish. Let me go ahead and knock on the wall right here so you can hear this. Versus an area that's not hollow. Big difference. Okay? Okay? So I'm showing you, and I can also show you where the first layer of plaster was installed right here, and you've got the second layer, okay, folks? In this one, they were actually somewhat intelligent enough to get the first, you see that first foot up, they went ahead and chipped out, but from below, from that area down, they did not. So that's why we have hollow spots. We had delaminations coming off of the first interior finish. You see the little hole right here just popped off. But this is Mike Sandoval with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling, just updating everybody about why we do not shoot interior finishes over other interior finishes.